Welcome to Excel Lesson 17. The first thing you're going to need to do is go to your Documents, 9th grade, Computer, Excel, Data Files, and find eTry17 and go ahead and open that. Once that's open, the first thing you're going to need to do is save it. So go to File, Save As, and save it into your Excel folder as eTry17 underscore your first name underscore your last name. Next, you need to add a header, so go to Insert, Header and Footer, and then on the far left, put your name. In the middle, put the current date, and on the far right, put the page number, and then change back to normal view. Next, drag over cells A5 to A10 and go to the Merge and Center drop-down box and hit Merge Cells, and then also go to Orientation and hit Angle Counterclockwise. Repeat these steps for cells A11 through A16, A17 through A22, and A23 through A28. Once you've done that, you'll see that all the cells are merged into separate boxes and that all the titles are on a slant. Next, you need to resize column A, so go in between column A and B and double-click and it will resize the column. Now select A10 through I10 and go to Borders and hit Bottom Border. And then do this for A16 through I16, A22 through I22, and A28 through I28. So once you've completed that, you can see that there's a line between the sections dividing them. Now, in case you haven't already, go ahead and save the file. Next, resize column E. So normally there might be some pound signs there, and that would be if the column is too small, the numbers won't fit and the formula won't work. So you just need to resize the column, but in this case it was already resized. Next, drag over the column headers for columns F through H to select those columns. Then make sure you're in Home and go under the Cell section and under Format, and then hit Auto Fit Column Width, and this will automatically adjust the column widths so you don't have to resize each one individually. Lastly, save your file again, and you are now finished with Excel Lesson 17. But if you'd like to add some extra features to your Excel file, you can select A5 through A10 and go into the center aligned and also the other center line, and it will move it into the middle of the box horizontally and vertically, and you can do this for all these boxes. So that just makes the boxes look a little nicer because they're now centered. You can also add different cell styles to your box if you want to. So I'm going to click cell A5 through A10 and go under cell styles and choose 60% of accent 1, and you can also do this for any of the cells, but particularly I'm going to do the rest of these. So now you can see all the boxes are different colors, which just helps to distinguish the different sections a little bit more. And now that is all for Excel Lesson 17.